Hello, my name is Ewell Berhanu. I live in Arlington, Virginia, and I go to Washington Liberty High School. And this is my science project.
Science Talk.
So, as you saw in my title, my experiment is trying to figure out the effect of 3D printing material on 3D print strength. So first of all, what is 3D printing? 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is the process by which multiple layers of semi-molten material are placed on top of each other to create a three-dimensional object. This is done using a 3D printer. So, the 3D printer moves in three axes: X, Y, and Z. So, the 3D printer moves those axes to make the printer head move. And the printer head is where all the magic happens. The printer head has this heating element which heats up the material and it's extruded out of the nozzle. So, speaking of material, the most common materials used in 3D printing are plastics. So, I took the three most common materials in 3D printing and I pitted them against each other to see which one is the strongest. So, the materials I chose are PLA, ABS, and PETG. With the prior research I've done, I think ABS is going to win, but we can't confirm that until we test it. So, to test them, I created a model that would allow straps to be attached to it, and I took these straps and I pulled it. But unfortunately, I'm not strong enough to break these pieces on my own. So I used a winch. The winch took these pieces and snapped them into pieces. Many pieces. I recorded this whole thing, and after reviewing the footage, ABS won with an average load of 159.47 newtons. PETG comes in second with an average of 134.7 newtons. And PLA comes in last with 52.41 newtons on average. So, I thought ABS would win because of this chemical in ABS called butadiene. Butadiene is the B in ABS, and it's attributed to ABS's strength. Although ABS might sound uncommon, it's everywhere in our lives.
This is ABS. 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 This is ABS.
So, ABS is the best 3D printing material, right? Not exactly. While ABS was very strong, it also had this annoying tendency to do something called warping. Warping happens when the temperature differences in the material are too great and it pulls itself off of the bed. This makes the pieces really hard to use. So yeah, ABS is the stronger material and it's stronger than PLA and PETG. But with this tendency for warping, I don't think it's a good daily use material. I'd say PETG is a better material to use on a daily basis as it has less problems when printing. Thanks for listening. Bye.
Science Talk.